PVC strip curtains are a practical and cost-effective solution for managing the environment in a workspace. Here are some of their uses. Temperature control. They help maintain the temperature in a room by preventing the escape of cool or warm air, making them ideal for cold storage, warehouse, or food processing units. Dust and noise reduction. PVC strip curtains can reduce the amount of dust and noise that enters a specific area. This is particularly useful in manufacturing or construction sites. Energy efficiency. By preventing air loss, these curtains can reduce energy consumption and contribute to lower utility bills. Insect control. They can be used in food-related industries to prevent insects and other pests from entering the area.